Imagine yourself amidst a natural calamity where chaos surrounds you and uncertainty hangs around every corner. Having the appropriate tools can make the difference between being safe and vulnerable in these situations. That's where technology comes in. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential gadgets that can help you stay safe and resilient in the face of adversity. 1. Early warning apps. Imagine this scenario. You are having a peaceful day at home when suddenly your phone buzzes with an urgent message: tornado warning. You can take cover in time since you have applications like Red Cross and FEMA alerting you before any chaos. With the help of these apps, you may instantly receive important safety advice and real-time warnings, transforming your smartphone into an effective survival tool. 2. Portable solar chargers. It might be difficult to stay connected amid natural disasters when there are power disruptions. By using solar energy to power electronic gadgets like radios, tablets, and cell phones, portable solar chargers provide a sustainable option. Because these chargers include photovoltaic panels, they can turn sunshine into electricity, keeping vital communication devices running even in the absence of conventional power sources. Brands like Anker PowerPort Solar offer compact and efficient solar chargers that are ideal for emergency situations. 3. Emergency radios. Emergency radios are lifelines for valuable information and updates when there is no electricity or internet access. During emergencies, radios with AM/FM tuners and NOAA weather alerts that run on batteries or hand crank are crucial communication tools. Models such as Midland ER310 emergency crank radio ensure reliable operation in any scenario and features several power sources such as solar charging and USB connectivity. People can remain up to date on weather, evacuation alerts, and rescue operations by keeping an emergency radio nearby. 4. LED flashlights. During power outages, having reliable lighting becomes crucial for both safety and navigation when darkness falls. Using just one pair of batteries, LED flashlights provide an intensely bright and energy-efficient lighting option that lasts for hours. LED lights are perfect for emergency use since they use less energy and produce less heat than conventional incandescent bulbs. Brands like Maglite offer durable and long-lasting LED flashlights that are waterproof and impact-resistant, ensuring reliability in harsh conditions. 5. Water filtration systems. While having access to safe drinking water in an emergency is essential, contaminated water sources are extremely dangerous to one's health. A practical way to clean water from rivers, lakes, and streams is with a portable water filtration system. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter ensures advanced filtration technologies and eliminates microplastics, parasites, and germs from water. In the hour of need, people can maintain their health and hydration by carrying a small, light water filter in their survival kit. 6. Emergency whistles. When communication systems fail or become inaccessible, emergency whistles provide a simple but efficient means of signaling for help. These whistles are made to draw attention and notify rescuers of your location. They are loud and compact. When trying to call for help after a natural catastrophe, having a reliable whistle can be the difference between being lost in the woods or stuck in debris. High-decibel safety whistles that are robust, waterproof, and easily attachable to keychains or backpacks are available from companies like Shoreline Marine. 7. Emergency blankets. Maintaining body temperature is essential for surviving in harsh environments, particularly during catastrophes like blizzards, hurricanes, and earthquakes. Emergency blankets offer insulation and weather protection. They are often referred to as space blankets or mylar blankets. These blankets are made to be lightweight and reflective to retain body heat and avoid hypothermia. Emergency blankets from companies like SwissSafe are strong, lightweight, windproof, and tear-resistant, making them essential components of any survival pack. 8. Portable first aid kits. Natural disasters frequently result in injuries, which can range in severity from small cuts and bruises to more serious wounds requiring immediate medical attention. People can treat accidents and provide first aid on the spot by carrying portable first aid kits that contain all the necessary tools. These kits are lightweight, portable and equipped with supplies including gauze pads, adhesive tape, bandages, and antiseptic wipes to provide quick and efficient medical care in an emergency. Compacted first aid kits that are small enough to fit in glove compartments or backpacks are available from companies like Swiss Safe, ensuring readiness for unplanned mishaps. 9. Battery-powered fans. During emergencies, extreme heat and humidity can worsen discomfort and health risks, especially in areas that are vulnerable to heat waves or tropical cyclones. When air conditioning is unavailable, battery-operated fans offer a lightweight and economical way to stay cool. These lightweight, portable fans provide cool airflow without relying on batteries or grid power. Portable fans with variable speed settings and extended battery life are available from brands like O2 Cool, which makes them necessary for sustaining hot and warm conditions during natural catastrophes. 10. Waterproof phone cases. In an emergency, smartphones are an essential resource for communication, navigation, and accessing vital information. In the hour of need, their functionality may be compromised by exposure to water, which can render them useless. Users can keep their smartphones secure and functional in wet or rainy environments by using waterproof phone cases, which provide protection against water damage. Universal waterproof cases with full touchscreen functionality and camera access are available from brands like Johto. These cases also block off dust, water, and debris. People can remain informed and connected during severe rainstorms or flooding by using a waterproof phone case. In times of crisis, preparation is key. You can navigate through natural disasters with resilience and confidence if you have the right gears. Every device, from solar chargers to early warning apps, is essential to ensuring your safety and well-being when it matters most. Thus, take charge, equip yourself with these necessary devices, and prepare ready to tackle any obstacles that may arise. Because being prepared for a disaster can make all the difference. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay resilient. Thanks for watching.